Waves hit, heads smashed, face burnt, tubes rode, people flew, drone flown. This is Lake Tippecanoe Lake Trip 2021! That probably sounded a lot cooler in my head, but we're going with it. 2 years ago, I went to the lake house and hit the biggest wave that I've ever been on in the tube in my entire life. And I've been to the lake house quite a bit. So this year, my goal was to get a wave even bigger than that one, if that was even possible. So the tubing journey began. I want to add in here my top 10 favorite tubing highlights from the lake trip.
Coming off the back. One's off.
Oh no. They're all gone.
Cleared the deck.
They're all gone.
Oh my gosh. Oh!
I definitely got that.
Yeah. Oh! Although this year I didn't hit the biggest wave like I did 2 years ago, it was still a week to remember. Now on to new adventures. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, feel free to hit the like buttons and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.